Now we're going to look at page lists. Sometimes when you click on an area and you're in the admin and nothing happens, you don't get the WYSIWYG box and the editing tools like you'd expect, there's a good chance that you're actually looking at a page list. So on this particular area, the designer has chosen to crop the images to circles and apply this border, and the headline and the person's title are styled a little bit differently. So these are things that the designer has said, I want the page to look like this, and I don't want the client to have to think about how this is displayed. So we'll click on clinical staff here, and you'll see this is the page list. So this is where you'd go to edit all of this content. You can click and drag these areas around to change the order of the list, or you can click on any individual item and drop in a new photo, change any of the information. You'll also notice here that this photo is a rectangle and we've displayed it as a square or as a circle on the live site. We do that with the software, so you can upload whatever you want here, and part of the template changes that display. So we'll say store edits and close, and that saves all your changes to the draft, and then you say publish to get your changes live on the site. Another way that page lists are used sometimes is more complicated code and less complicated display. Like, for example, on this page we have a photo gallery that's just a list of thumbnails here on the bottom, but then when you click on it you get the larger thumbnail. You can click through. If you're on a touch device you can swipe through like this. So that's kind of a nice feature. And to edit that, we'll just hit the photo gallery button, and you see this is a big list of all the photos we've got here. So now to add a new item, we're just going to say add item at the bottom, drag a photo over here, drop it down, and we'll say add a caption, and then say save, and that sticks it on the bottom here. You can drag things around to change where it goes and say store edits. And then you come down here and this is the photo that we've just added. That might not have been the photo. The photo is one of these. Anyway, that's what we've added, and we'll say publish, and then go back to the live site and you'll see that the changes are there. So that's all there is to it.